Hello crypto, welcome to another episode of Crypto Rules Everything Around Me Cream. Follow the cream, get closer to your dream. This channel is created for technical analysis. Oh my god, I forgot my slogan. This channel is created for technical analysis, educational purposes, and entertainment only. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take anything I say here as financial advice. Everything is strictly my opinion, and I'm doing this channel to track the performance of my crypto portfolio. Alright guys, I know it's been a while since I made a video, but there's a reason for that. Basically, let me put on the beats here. So basically, Canada now has banned two of my favorite exchanges, right? I was using Binance last year and they banned it because it did not meet the regulatory standards, and KUCOIN as well just recently got banned. And if you guys are following my channel, I think the most successful trade I had on KUCOIN before it got banned was I think when Luna was crashing, I actually didn't want to trade Luna because it was a falling knife, right? But so I told my friends a quick history of how I made on how I was able to turn $65 to over $10,000 by using KUCOIN as one of my exchanges. So basically, when Luna was crashing, I told my friend, "Yo, stay away. That thing's a falling knife. There's no point of trading it. And if it does bounce, it's going to be dangerous. It's going to be hard to predict, right?" So we stayed away from it. I didn't want to trade it, but my friend kept insisting. Long story short, my friend told me, you told us that for every crisis, there's opportunity. So I traded it as per the opportunity that came up, that presented itself, falling from $100 to basically to fraction of a cent, even less. So I was able to time the bottom, and I made $65 to $10,000, and I was using KUCOIN, and I was kind of disappointed. Also, if you guys missed a video, I'll post it on the top right corner right now. Click it, and maybe it'll give you guys insight on how to catch opportunities, right? So basically, again, so KUCOIN got banned from Canada. So I stopped trading for a bit. It kind of discouraged me, but just because the door closes doesn't mean another one will open, right? I look for other opportunities on how I can continue to grow my crypto portfolio. Since I'm holding coins, I didn't want them to stay stagnant and not earn anything. So of course, staking was one of my second option, or look into sign up to other crypto exchanges. So basically, I signed up to 3 other exchanges, but I'm very particular when I use exchanges and platforms to trade in, right? I use certain tools, and some of these exchanges, the new ones that I've signed up for, are not even close to Binance or KUCOIN. So, and plus the thing that my other fear is one day I'm gonna see in the news that the exchanges that I signed up for, basically it's LBank, Bitmart, and some other ones, they're freezing withdrawals now, right? So this is a risk that I'm taking. So I'm not really trying to go heavy on the trading part of it now. I'm trying to just like stake from DeFi platforms or soft staking. But there is still a lot of money to be made in trading. It's just I'm very limited to my options because there's a lot of regulations happening, and I don't want my account to be frozen, basically, right? So I am trading with a limit, and it sucks because I can't go as hard as I could. So let me go back to the DeFis. So I am now doing a lot of research on staking, specifically for Cardano and XRP. I am a big holder of those both, and I will talk about the two platforms I'm using, and I will show you guys on how I'm making some nice gains from it. Before we do that, let's do a quick market recap. All right, that was a long intro. Sorry about that. But as you can see, Bitcoin is now at $22,900. We're about to break that 23,000 resistant. It hit a high of today. It hit a high of 23,194. Actually, 24-hour high, not today, and a 24-hour low of $22,023. So we're in the green at 3.8%. As you can see, a lot of these altcoins are hitting some double-digit gains, and we all know Bitcoin is always taking the lead. And let's go to market cap just to see. Last time we were I made my video, I'm pretty sure the market cap was at like 800 billion, right? So let's update this page. It's nice to see we are now over $1 trillion again. We're at 1.4 trillion, which is good to see. It was kind of getting scary going below the $1 trillion mark, but at the same time, if you guys know where Bitcoin and crypto is headed, mass adoption is happening. I was not scared. I was not worried. If anything, I was trying to free up a lot more assets so I can buy and DCA meaning dollar cost average, or average down even more. So it was definitely an opportunity when Bitcoin hit 17,000. All right, going back to Bitcoin, the dominance is still at 41%, while Ethereum dominance is at 18.6. And since I'm gonna be talking about Cardano and XRP, Cardano was up earlier at 10% today. It's at 51 cents, but now it's currently down at 0.62% with the day 24-hour change of, yeah, here it is, 8%. Right, earlier it was 10%. While a weekly 7-day percentage gain for Cardano is 15% and 34. It is ranked 6th currently at on CoinMarketCap, and XRP is just below it. XRP is at 36 cents. It's up 0.10%. 24-hour change at plus 3%, and the weekly 7 days at 4.07%. Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick TA on Bitcoin as I usually do. On CoinTrader Pro, current price is 22,700. Okay, quick overview since I've missed a lot of episodes since I've been trading. We were here, I think, yeah, we were here when last time I did my videos at 30, and then I was really worried about Bitcoin hitting 22,000, 21,000. And you know, it's funny, the sentiment in the market was so bullish up here while I was warning everybody, you know, in my previous videos to have an open mind that Bitcoin can tank in $22,000 range. But when I was saying this, a lot of people were bullish, saying no, it's not going to happen, blah blah blah. And as you can see, it did happen. But it went lower than what I predicted, or what I thought it would go. It went lower, as low as 17,000. But as I said, as it went lower, I saw this as an opportunity, right? When it went lower, I was getting excited. I had sold some of my assets into stable coins because I saw the market in the RSI hitting the lowest at like 19, and it was nothing but an opportunity. And then again, as I saw this, I saw Bitcoin price drop here. The narrative on Twitter, a lot of people posting saying, oh, it's going to go to 13,000 when it was hitting 16, 17. I'm like, no, I'm bullish. I was bullish once it hit these prices, and when I saw the RSI, and as you can see, it kind of rebounded, built a support line around here, which is at 18,000, and it finally just took off after it hit. It kind of made this double bottom, right? It kind of, from here, it went up, one bottom here, went up again, another bottom, retested it, and now we're up. So basically, the resistance I was looking for was this 22,000 mark, because that's where it peaked a few times. And once it broke it, this is all technical, guys. If you look at this chart right here, it's all technical, right? If people don't believe in TAs, you better educate yourself fast. So this is the resistance I'm talking about, 22,000. Once it broke it, already went above it. It is now back testing this resistance. It now turned into support, and as you can see, as it went down, we have a green candle here. So this support line where the resistance was is holding true. The next resistance I'm aiming at is this 26 to 28,000, right? Once Bitcoin hits this price, I will be bearish over here. I was long here, right? I was bullish here. I will be bearish here, because that's when the market will be hitting extremely overbought in the RSI, right? Anything over 70 will be overbought. So again, I'm saying this now, it could, if it doesn't break this resistance with conviction, as I told my friends, it needs to just break through it and then retest it, as it did over here, right? So it broke through, and then it turned resistance into support, and that's what I want to see. It needs to break this resistance with conviction and then retest it. But if it doesn't do that, right? If Bitcoin just does this, it goes up, hits 26, 28, and then it struggles to break, we could see the dip back down in these levels, or retest 22,000, and if that fails, it's gonna retest 16,000. If that fails, I see a lot of narrative right out there. This is a strong support level for me, just because if I scroll back, this is where I see a lot of the price action, and this is why people are saying 10,000, like from 12,000 to 12,000 and 10,000 right here. As you can see, it consolidated pretty for a while in this range from July 2020 to October. So we had like July, August, September, October. So like around 4 months of play in this price range. So this will be my next support if 16,000 fails, right? Again, if 20,000 does not break with conviction. Again, I need to see it break with conviction the way it broke support with conviction here. I need to see the same exact thing for me to be fully bullish on it. But for now, I will be bearish once it hits this level. Right, so that's my quick analysis on Bitcoin. Again, things can change. It is crypto, but it is good to see. It is holding support, breaking the resistance, and now maintaining a support because we do see a green candle. So it's small. It's a nice flag forming right there. So I do hope to see another leg up. All right, quick look at RSI. It is forming higher lows. So the trend is good. I'm gonna decline this, sorry. Just ruined my my beats here. So anyway, so going back, RSI, it is forming a higher lows, so I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin just does retest this trend line and before we do another leg up, you know. So that's my analysis, guys. Stochastic RSI is oversold, but MACD is looking good. We're in a bullish sentiment. We did a bullish cross here. And yeah, hopefully we'll see where it goes. I'm still somewhat bullish, but bearish once it hits 26,000, 28,000. All right, guys. Now I'm not fully bearish, but we could take a big dip. And I'm gonna say this once, even though I'm bearish when it hits 26,000, 28,000, if we do go down around these levels, or if we do retest 16,000, 18,000, that's when I'm the most bullish, and I know we will break a lot of resistance once we hit these lows again. All right, so I'm bearish short term, but I'm bullish long term on Bitcoin. All right, so I just want to make it clear. If you don't agree with me, don't watch my channel. But if you're learning something from my channel, then thank you for watching. Okay, so now I'm gonna go talk about Cardano's staking, where you can stake Cardano. So basically, it's called Sundaeswap. If you want to go to CoinMarketCap, you can just click here, then click Sunday Finance, but I've saved it myself. And then yeah, here, enter app, click it. So just like XRP, Cardano has assets. So if you're very familiar to PancakeSwap, BUSD, and all these other coins under the Binance network, Cardano has the same. Right, as you can see, if you go to homepage, you connect your wallet, and you can see you can farm 19% APRs. And the good thing about this is, if you guys don't know about this 0.3% LP fee, if you do provide liquidity, if you buy this token WMT and ADA, you gain every transaction fee. So if somebody swapped after you provided liquidity, if you click here, right? If you provide liquidity, you do get paid this percent. Or you could also stake it and earn a fee. So if you provide both, you gain 90% APR, right? And you get paid this 3%. But what I did was I saw this opportunity right here, 171% APR, right? You gotta hold within for at least minimum 30 days, or you don't get the reward. So I get paid 1% fee per transaction. At the same time, I'm gaining 171% APR. Again, there are risks, guys. Just because I'm choosing these pools, it doesn't mean they're all winners. The way I invest in these very aggressive or very risky pools with high yields. One, I know they're not sustainable, and two, you can get robbed, right? So the way I approach this is I'm gonna put some money in there, and I'm gonna take it as me losing that money already. But if it does work out, I'm gaining some nice percentage. So that is the risk I'm willing to take. I don't know about you guys, but if you guys are more conservative, definitely look at more secure There's a lot of options in Pancake on SundaeSwap. As you can see here, there's another one. A lot of them offer just fees. You get paid per transaction, or if you're into APR, here another one, 148%. Here, I think there's another one I saw. Here is 58% clap, clap, whatever this thing is, this coin. So clap and ADA. If you do the pairing, you get 58% APR with 0.3% fee. So yeah, it's not bad. So also, if you click connect wallet here, these are the Cardano wallets. I personally have Nami. If you guys need a tutorial on how to start this, I will post a link in the description below, a quick tutorial on which wallet I opened up, how to connect your wallet on SundaeSwap, and how to start staking and provide liquidity, and how to do swaps. And I will put it on the description. Okay, guys. So basically, this is it. If you connect, I'm gonna connect my Nami wallet. All right, guys. So I connected my wallet. As you can see, I click on liquidity. I am gaining interest, as you can see right here. All right, so I've gained 1,800 NMKR, and I'm getting 171% thing. So while you're holding coins, why not gain interest, right? So always be open to other ways of making your crypto work for you, and this is what I'm doing. I'm exploring the crypto network. Just because I'm very limited to trading now doesn't mean I can't make gains, right? So that's one thing from Cardano. And like I said, if you guys need help on how to set up your Cardano wallet, which wallet to download, I will post the link below the description on the tutorial on how to do it. Okay, because I made a video on it, and hopefully you guys find those videos easy to follow. So the next one, all right, the one I'm excited about for the XRP, let me sign out here, hold on. Yes, so the next staking pool. Before we continue, I'm gonna mention the difference between the XRP staking that I'm using and SundaeSwap is that Sunday is a DeFi, right? It's decentralized finance. The difference is the coins, once you start staking your coins there, your coins leave your wallet and they go on SundaeSwap platform. They're holding it. Sometimes I feel iffy about it because there have been what do you call them? There have been news about all these what do you call it? PancakeSwap being hacked. All these other DeFi platforms being hacked, right? I think one Harmony got hacked recently, so that's the only thing. There are big risks. Just because they're high APYs doesn't mean your money's secure, right? So once you are staking your coins in a DeFi, they are leaving your wallet, and something happens there, you will lose your coins. So just keep that in mind. All right, so when you're staking, don't go too much. Don't stake crypto that you're not willing to lose. So like I said, I approach that as I already lost that, but if it works out, good for me. So the next one is called STX, and now this is the difference between SundaeSwap and STX. I actually like it better. One, because STX is soft staking. The difference between DeFi and soft staking is all you're doing is confirming your coins in the STX website. And for those who are holders of XRP, I know the XUMMWALLET is not a stranger to you guys. But if you're new to XRP and want to learn about it, I will post a description on how to use a XUMMWALLET and adding Trustlines into your XUMMWALLET. So basically, Trustlines are all these coins under the XRPL. XRPL has all these other different assets pairing with the XRP coin. Okay, so STX native coin is the STX. So in order for you to stake in STX, you need to buy their coin, which is called STX. And again, I will give you guys the link to how to add trust lines into your XUMMWALLET, and then one of them is STX. Wow, nice! It's up 21%. Woohoo! So you need to buy STX first, right, before you can stake on STX. And then depending on what coin you want to stake with, again, I'm very risky, so I chose this. Look at the APY on this, guys, 16,000%. I mean, do the math, right? That's basically 40% a day. I don't know. You can hate on all these things, saying, "Oh, I'm gonna get rugged," but I'm gonna chase percentages. End of the day, they're paying out. The best part is they're paying out daily. You don't with the Sundaeswap. I cannot withdraw my liquidity within 30 days. I gotta stake within 30 days, or I don't get any of the rewards. With these guys, they give rewards on a daily, so the risk is minimal. And then let me go back to soft staking. Your assets never leave your wallet. Basically, you were just plugging in your wallet in this, and they take a snapshot of the coins in your wallet, and then your rewards are deposited straight to your Zoom wallet or Zum wallet. All right. So this is why I'm actually a big fan of STX. I think it's a hidden gem, and people can hate as much as they want about other projects under XRPL. Hey, end of the day, I'm getting percentages. What are you getting? Instead of just bashing something that you know nothing about or you did no research on, right? So always have an open mind. Whenever there's an opportunity for you guys to make extra, just do a little bit more research before diving in, and just know the risks. And if the rewards outweigh the risk, is it not worth the risk, right? So I've already staked a few coins in this STX, and again, soft staking, the risk is barely there because the coins are still in your wallet. So if this gets hacked, you're safe. The only risk that I see in this, right, is if the project that you bought, let's say you bought, I don't know, Palecoin or Ember, this one right here, if that project is a rug pull and the value of it goes down, that's the only risk you're taking. You don't have to worry about hackers. You don't have to worry about basically one of my main issues with DeFi's is hackers coming in and emptying out the pool. Your coins are still in your wallet. All right, so I cannot stress that enough. This is why I like using STX. So the way you use STX, right? I'm gonna go back. I also have a Discord channel here, where I share my trades and my staking to a couple of friends, and as you can see, it was a little bit I forgot what I was saying. So basically, STX. There's some things you need to know before using it. When I first used it, I noticed my daily rewards that were going in my wallet were not paying out the exact percentages as they were posting, but that's because I did not know about it. I did join their Discord. If you go to their facts right here, right, join the Discord if you guys need to do research on things that you're investing in, right? So I'll post their Discord as well on the link below. So if you click on the facts, right, I've been staking, but I haven't gotten my rewards. So when you first stake, it does take around 24 hours to 48 hours for the rewards to come in your wallet. Again, it's a daily reward, and that's the best thing about it. And two, the coins or the crypto will never leave your wallet. They stay in your wallet, but they take a daily snapshot, and that's what determines your daily interest, right? So if you sell some, then your daily reward will be reduced, but if you keep holding, your daily rewards will increase over time. And then here's a key thing right here. So basically, what is the eligible requirement to be eligible to receive reward in your pool? You must be staking a weekly average value of minimum. It's just 2 XRP, right? But like who really, you can afford more than 2 XRP if you're staking. So the way they explained it, to work out a rough estimate of your weekly average, you must stake your STX value from each day of a previous week, add them all together, and then divide by 7. If you only have 2 XRP value of the token, you will need to stake for an entire week before you see rewards. Keep in mind that with pools that have base and pair tokens, both need to have over 2 XRP weekly average. The next one is I want rewards straight away. So people are not patient. Even though it's a daily reward, people still want, I want it now. But they explain it well here. If you want rewards from day one, you will need to stake over 14 XRP value, because 14 / divided by 7 equals 2. This is why we allow for a week of pre-staking before releasing rewards to allow users to get their average up. Okay, so that's one thing to keep in mind, right? I just want to show you guys that before you guys start questioning if you guys start using it. But if you guys do need help, you guys can always message me or leave a comment below or add me on Discord. My username is, I don't even know my, right there, Yoshi Y05H1 with my, I guess this is number 05, my ID 0511. All right, so again, I'm new to this, but I'm already getting daily rewards, and let me show you guys how STAYKX works. And the way STAYKX works as well, I just want to let you guys know, is very similar to LP staking. And I told you guys you need to add or buy the native token, which is STX, which I showed you here earlier. And then whatever you want to choose, and I chose the xBIBLx, which is right here. So I added the trust lines for both in my Zoom wallet, and I just want to show you guys the gains on this coin. Just epic. From the day it came out in July 18th, which is only 6 days ago, this thing has gone up 1900% in the XRP, guys. Though aren't those gains or what? Like, I don't care what people say. Oh, it's a rug. Oh, it's a scam. I don't care. These people who are talking, they haven't done their research, and these people who are talking, they are not experiencing the gains that you're experiencing. So let them talk until, you know, let them hate, because at the end of the day, you're getting percentages while they're wasting their time hating on you. All right, so that's some nice gain. So think of it this way: you gain 1900% by just owning the coin, and now you're about to gain another 16,000%. 16,000% just by staking this. Isn't that ridiculous? Like, I don't know. Even for traders, you cannot. It is very hard for you for traders to gain consistent gains of 50% a day. Like, unless you're a real trader pro and you're very disciplined, maintaining a 40% gain every day is very hard to keep up. So this is now my way of trading. It is I'm exploring staking on both Cardano and XRP network. So I'm kind of drifting off, sorry. So back to the tutorial. So after you've bought STX, and then once you've chosen which pool you want, right, you need to add the trust line of this coin as well. And I'll add the trust line of xBIBLx on the description below as well if you guys want to stake and get a piece of the 16,000%. And again, if you guys need help on adding trust lines on your XUMM wallet, the wallet I use to stake is XUMM wallet for the XRP. I'll link the description again below if you guys need a tutorial on how to use the XUMM wallet. So after you've added the trust lines, right? Let's assume you added the trust line for STX and xBIB. Just sign in with your on the website. Click sign in. Scan the barcode. Open it in your phone. Confirm, then sign. All right. Let me sign this for a second, and then you'll see me signing in one of my Zoom wallets. All right. So if you're a holder of XRP, you definitely need XUMM wallet. All right. So that's my address right there. So now I'm connected. And then I want you to click this right here, because if you own, let's say you already know what you're going to stake, right? Let's say you want to stake, yeah, like xBIBLx, right? And you already own it, you already bought both, and now you're ready to stake. So going back to LP staking. LP staking, you need the same value of XRP to maximize your reward for this staking. So simple math. All right, so when I staked, so let me let it load up, or let me go here for a second. So while it's loading, to maximize the reward percentage, or to maximize the reward that you're getting, you need the equal value of XRP. So simple math, you convert 100 XRP of xBIBLx, right, and then you convert another 100 XRP of STX. So that means you will get your daily reward based on the 100 XRP that you chose, because they're both equal value of XRP. Okay, not the tokens of XRP. You need the equal value of XRP. But let's say you only have 50 XRP converted into xBIBLx, and then you have 100 XRP of STX, you will only get rewarded for that 50 XRP xBIBlx. So it's better, so it's more efficient if you balance out the value of XRP in both coins. Okay guys, I cannot stress that enough. To get the most value of your rewards, you need the equal value of XRP on both coins. It's that simple. Just, it's again simple math. You need 100 XRP worth of xBIBlx and 100 XRP worth of STX to get the maximized return. If it's not balanced, if one's lower than the other, then you will get rewarded for the lower amount. And that's just the way it is. And that's how that's how the STX works. And once you have those coins, all you gotta do is just, there's a scroll bar here. I went 100% on xBIBlx, so I'm staking. Let's go. And once you click in, all right, it will show you that I'm using 100% of my STX, but I only have, what is it? Where does it say? But I only have a value of 1,007 XRP worth of xBIBLx. Okay, so basically, even though I staked 100% of my allocated STX, which is worth 1.29 XRP, I'm only gonna get paid my reward by this because it's lower than my STX XRP value, right? So I have a lower XRP value of xBIBLx, which is clearly right there. I only have 1.07 XRP instead of 1.29 XRP. Okay, again, just to make it clear, I am holding 1.29k worth of XRP of STX, while I only have 1.07k of XRP worth of xBIBLx. So I will get my reward based on the lower amount, since they're not equal value. And that's basically it. And then once you are ready to stake, you again, all you gotta do is scroll. I went 100%. I used 100% of my STX because I want to go 100% on xBIBLx. So I scrolled, I used this toggle over here, and I went 100%, and then just click stake, and you're ready to go. You get a confirmation, and then something will go up on your screen saying it'll take 24 to 48 hours. Just make sure once you confirm 100%, you're not getting 100% gains. You're using 100% of the STX that you hold per the other asset that you're gonna stake it with. Okay, let me repeat that. You're not using 100%. You're not getting 100% gain. You're only using 100% of the STX that you own in your XUMM wallet. At the same time, you're staking whatever you have left of the other coin that you're pairing it with. All right, guys. So I went 100% on this because this I want to maximize the 16,000% gain. So I switched my another asset. I sold it, and I went all in on xBIBlx just to try it out. So once I toggled 100%, yeah, I confirmed yes, use 100% of my STX so I can stake xBIBlx, and then click stake, and then I was ready to go. All right, so hopefully you guys see value in using STAYKX. If you guys doubt it, please do your research, join your Discord, ask a lot of questions, which I did. And like I said, I've already staked a few tokens in their platform, and I've already gained daily interest. But this, to me, the 16,000% is just an amazing deal. And like I said, the risk is the value of this token going to zero, because the risk of getting hacked is not there because the coins stay in your wallet, and that's why soft staking, I think it's going to be the next big thing other than DeFi's, right? So that's my episode for today, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. But always keep an open mind to opportunities. Don't hate on coins just because you don't know anything about them. A percentage gain is a percentage earned, and it just benefits you in the long run. So if you see a nice profit, take it. But at the same time, do your research, know the risk, And I'm going on this thinking that I lost, but if I do gain, hey, look at that gain right there. Alright guys, hopefully you learned something from this episode. I know I've been away, but I will update you and I will show you my gains on STX in the next few days to show you guys that I am earning. Until the next episode, thanks for watching. Peace.